Okay, children. Please switch off your mics quickly. Page 16. Write classwork and write today's date.
मैम जीके बुक
Your first speaker.
मैम जीके बुक
GK book? Grammar book, beta. This is your language period, English period. Classwork, today's date. You have to fill in the blanks with a or an, or in other words, a or an. Now, जिसको भी
मैम
नाम
पेज नंबर
Vidushi, do you have WhatsApp? Vidushi, do you have WhatsApp? Now, when I'm talking to you, you will not answer, but you will interrupt when I'm talking. Switch on your camera. ओके नाउ जिस बच्चे का नाम भी मैं लेके बुलाऊंगी वो सेंटेंस पढ़ेगा और उसमें क्या ब्लैंक में क्या फिल करना है यू विल टेल मी दैट एंड but you will read only one sentences. There are two sentences in each number. You will read only one sentence. The next child will read the next one. Okay, Nabiha, the first one, please. Nabiha, are you there? Please read the first sentence. Nabiha, where is your book, child? Vidushi, read the first sentence.
मैम this is alligator. This is an alligator.
This is an alligator. Very good. Switch off your mic. Write an in the blank, children. Izan, the next one. Yes, Ekagar.
मैम alligator is spelling
It's there. It is there in the book. Better you just have to write an. Alligator is already written in the book.
Baby is reading a book.
Very good, Izan. But पीछे से कौन बोल रहा है बेटा? तुम्हें कौन हेल्प कर रहा है प्रोनाउंस करने में? मम्मी हेल्प कर रही है बेटा. आवाज़ तो आ जाती है ना बच्चे. आई कैन हियर. द थिंग इज आई कैन हियर. ओके गुड. ही इज रीडिंग अ बुक. प्लीज राइट अ इन द ब्लैंक ओवर देयर, चिल्ड्रन. Achint, number 2. Achint, number 2.
हाँ
बेटा अपने आप पढ़ना है.
रवीना Ravina a girl.
इज नहीं पढ़ोगे बेटा, सिर्फ रवीना अ गर्ल कह दोगे?
Ravina is a girl.
रवीना इज अ गर्ल, प्लीज राइट इज ओवर देयर चिल्ड्रन. अक्षत, द नेक्स्ट वन.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next sentence.
C is C-A-R-E double R-Y-I-N-G.
Carrying.
Umbrella.
बेटा कैरिंग तो बोलो पहले. कैरिंग.
A
यस,
is carrot and umbrella.
very good. The answer is an. Write an over there. Tasmia, the next one, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next sentence.
T-H-I-S. This is O-R-A-N-G. This is an orange.
Am I teaching Tasmia? Is Tasmia supposed to be answering me? Or one of the parents is helping her to give the answer? Why are you doing this, parents? मुझे तो आप लोग की आवाज़ सुनाई दे जाती है ना. And please let me tell you, all this is being recorded and being seen by the principal every day. What is the point in me asking a child? Let it be Tasmia, beta. Okay. This is an orange, children. Write an over there. Ekagra. The next word, beta.
Next one is bird.
एकाग्र. ओपन योर माउथ एंड जोर से बोलो क्या बोल रहे हो ताकि मुझे सुनाई दे बेटा.
And second word is girl.
Where are we, beta? What page are we on?
And page number 16.
And which number are we on, Ekagra?
Page number 2.
No, we have already completed number 2. Tasmia has already done the third sentence, the first one.
Tree.
एकाग्र बेटा, तुम ध्यान दे रहे हो कि मैं क्या कह रही हूँ या अपनी ही बोले जाओगे? You have to read the sentence and give me the answer that you will be writing in the blank. Please open your mind and pay attention to what I am saying. Now read the third sentence, the second one. Tasmia has already given the answer to the first one. Read, Ekagra. Read. It's a very simple word.
Ma'am, I go to toilet.
No. You will not go to the toilet during class.
Ma'am, a tree.
What a tree. Read the full sentence, Ekagra.
Ma'am, this is an orange.
एकाग्र. तुम बेटा, तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ रहता है क्लास में? मैं बार बार कह रही हूँ, तस्मिया ने इसमें के फर्स्ट सेंटेंस का आंसर दे दिया है, तुम्हें सेकंड सेंटेंस करना है. Why are you so lost always? Now read the second sentence. नंबर 3 में सेकंड सेंटेंस पढ़ो, एकाग्र.
Ma'am, it's It was on a tree.
यस वेरी गुड, बट एकाग्र तुम ध्यान नहीं देते हो, तुम जल्दी में रहते हो तो तुम्हारा ध्यान कहीं और रहता है बेटा। कितना टाइम लगा लिया हम लोगों ने इस एक छोटे से सेंटेंस में? यू आर गिविंग द करेक्ट आंसर बट यू आर टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, राइट? इट
Sorry,
ग्रोज ऑन
ma'am.
अ ट्री चिल्ड्रन, राइट? ओवर देयर,
Sorry, ma'am.
please pay attention, there's no need to say sorry, you have to pay attention. Naima, number 4, the first sentence in number 4. Naima, number 4 beta.
Ship is big.
नो बेटा, बेटा बेटा प्लीज पे अटेंशन, तुम लोग का कहाँ ध्यान रहता है? नंबर 4 में फर्स्ट सेंटेंस तुमको पढ़ना है नाइमा, सेकंड किसी और को पढ़ना है। आप प्लीज बोलना बंद करेंगी? आद्या स्विच ऑफ योर माइक चाइल्ड। यस नाइमा।
Board is small.
यस, क्या लिखेंगे ब्लैंक में बेटा?
A.
Yes, a boat is small. Okay, very good. And this over here, you will be writing with a capital A. Okay, a boat is small.
Okay, ma'am.
Yasir, the next one.
Ma'am, I have old book.
Doesn't matter. ग्रामर बुक में ओल्ड न्यू कुछ नहीं है, सब एक ही सी बुक है। वी आर डूइंग ग्रामर जस्ट नाउ, लैंग्वेज। यू आर नॉट इवन ऑन द सेम पेज यासिर। स्विच ऑफ योर माइक यासिर। अद्वैत बेटा, अद्वैत, यस बेटा।
Ma'am, table and
नो
the
नो नो
desk.
नो 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 अद्वैत, नो 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 बेटा, आप भी अटेंशन नहीं लगा रहे हैं। नंबर 4 का सेकंड सेंटेंस पढ़ना है।
Ship is big.
ओके, वेरी गुड। अ शिप इज बिग, वेरी गुड। हाविरा, द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस प्लीज।
Yes, ma'am.
Press the next sentence.
Table. Table and
Where are you? Where are you? पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ने को बोल रहे हैं ना?
THIS test. AHIS.
Why does the child look at the parent who is in the room? This is an English class. The child has to learn to read. Each and every child has to learn to read and pronounce. आप अगर बच्चे के सामने से हट जाएंगे तो बच्चा आपकी तरफ नहीं देखेगा, और अगर नहीं देखेगा तो उसमें कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा। वाई डोंट यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दिस? द चाइल्ड हैज़ टू बिकम कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ हिज और हर ओन कैपेबिलिटी। हाविरा, अब किसी और तरफ मत देखना, सिर्फ बुक में देखो और पढ़ो।
THIS test.
हाविरा स्टॉप, वेट, हाविरा स्टॉप, बेटा स्टॉप। नंबर 5 फिर से शुरू करो।
THIS test is table
वेरी गुड।
and THAT
दैट
is
बेटा, THAT इज दैट।
that
हाँ, आगे।
is
हाँ, मुझसे पूछो, स्पेलिंग पढ़ो, स्पेलिंग पढ़ो।
chair.
चेयर, वेरी गुड। अब दोनों ब्लैंक्स में क्या फिल अप करेंगे? Very good. This is a table and that is a chair. Parents, you are requested. I will keep on requesting you again and again not to prompt the child. Please, for your child's confidence sake, don't prompt. Okay. Laiba, number 6. Switch on your mic, Laiba.
MY FACHER. My father, my father is CHOPPING.
Chopping. Say the word, Laiba. Chopping.
Chopping.
Hmm.
Chopping. My father is chopping
Hmm.
onion. मेरे पापा
Beta, this is a language class. Beta, this is a language class. English language class. Mummy, Papa, whoever is in the room, please tell them to go out of the room. And you talk to me. You are not to explain it to me. तुम्हें इसमें a और an fill up करना है. So you have to read the full sentence and then fill it up with a or an, a or an. Now you have read my father is chopping. Then there's a blank. Then read the next word. Blank के बाद जो word है
my
no, O-N-I-O-N कौन पढ़ेगा लाइबा? Who will read O-N-I-O-N? Read it, then I will tell you the pronunciation.
Onion.
It's onion. It is, wait Laiba. The word is onion. बोलो onion.
Onion.
Onion मत बोलना, okay? The word is onion. फिर से बोलो onion.
Onion.
Okay, आगे पढ़ो.
And the and Tomato. Tomato.
Yes. Now अब दोनों blanks में क्या fill up करेंगे लाइबा?
Ma'am. And
Very good.
Ma'am.
Very good. In the first blank, it is going to be an, and in the next blank, it will be a potato, right? Fill it up. Number 7. Akshita Yadav, number 7. No, sa word नहीं है. Akshita, wait. Akshita, wait. SAW is saw. Please pronounce it. Saw.
Saw crow and eagle in the sky.
Okay. What will you fill up in the blank? What will you fill up in the blank?
And
Very good. A and and. I saw a crow and an eagle in the sky. Abdullah, switch on your camera, please. Yes, read Abdullah. Abdullah, read. Number. Abdullah, what number are we on?
number 17.
And number, the sentence number?
8.
Okay, read it. Read it.
SAW
No. SAW is saw. I saw. Read.
GOAT OANT C COWON THE
Don't tell him.
FARM farm
ओके क्या क्या फिलअप करेंगे यहाँ पर? Abdullah, don't answer, please. Abdullah, please don't answer. I don't want your answer because you are being helped by someone. Okay. Ayansh, can you do number 8, please?
I saw a goat and a
Cow, beta. COW is cow. Okay, good. Please switch off your mic. Children, fill it up in your blank. I saw a goat and a cow on the farm. Now let us come to the next exercise. C. I opened the refrigerator and found a lot of things in it. Write a or an before each word. Hanifa, the first one. Hanifa, the first one. First one.
tomato
A tomato. Okay. पूरा पढ़ के बताओ.
tomato
Very good. Write a over there. Sukhnur, the next one. Sukhnur, the next one.
yes ma'am bunch of banana तो हम कहेंगे आ
Very good. Ishanvi,
थैंक यू
number 3. What will we write over there?
and
Very good. Izan, number 4.
nice tree a nice tree
Very good. An ice tray. Quickly write, children. I hope you all are writing. Adya Verma, number 5. Adya Verma, number 5.
yes ma'am juicy can
Beta, the word is juice. Okay? Say juice. Okay. क्या लिखेंगे?
can
Okay. What will you write in front of that? A or an?
ma'am
Okay. A juice can. Please write over there. Okay. Vidushi, the next one. Vidushi, the next one.
yes ma'am an egg
Switch on your camera, please, Vidushi. Yes. Vidushi, your mic is switched off. I can't hear you, beta.
yes ma'am a packet of cheese.
cheese, the word is cheese. Pronounce it, beta.
Cheese.
Very good. A packet of cheese. Right, children? Write over there. Number 7, Yasir. Yasir, number 7.
My brother.
Okay, Yasir, you have the old book. Yasir, wait, let it be. You have the old book, I've just realized.
No, ma'am. Page number is changed. Excuse me, ma'am. My page number is changed, but written is same.
But then he's not following what's happening in class, na? The page number might be changed. Even I have the old book. The thing is, even I have last year's book. I don't have this year's book. So what page is he on? Can you show me the page on camera, please?
11, ma'am. Page number 11.
Right. So then the order of the sentences are correct. He is on the correct page. Now he doesn't know what number he is to read. He has to read number 7. Yasir, number 7, please. Yasir, number 7. Nishkarth, don't do that. Don't do that, Nishkarth. यासिर, बेटा कितना टाइम लोगे पेज नंबर 7 रीड करने में? You have switched off the camera, Yasir. You got up and you switched off the camera. What is this? Read number 7, Yasir, and give me the answer, please. Had you been in class, you would have not been able to do this, child. Don't look at anyone else. Give me the answer first, Yasir. Okay. Viraj, do you have the new book? Number 7. Even if you don't have the new book, number 7. Read number 7.
Bottle is the milk.
Bottle of milk. A और an क्या होगा यहाँ पर?
A.
मम्मी को देख के क्यों बोल रहे हो बेटा? मैं बैठी हूँ यहाँ पर. Look at me and answer. A bottle of milk. Children, write over there. Mahira, are you there? I can't find you. Mahira. Yes, Mahira, number 8, please.
A few oranges.
Very good. Because few is written over there. It's a few oranges. Very good. Please write over there. Hussein, the last one, beta. Hussein, the last one. Yes. Give the answer, Hussein, beta. हाँ. क्या लिखेंगे कैरेट से पहले, हुसैन?
बताइए.
ये
मैम बताइए क्या है?
Hussein, you have to write a carrot. क्या लिखना है बेटा?
आप बताइए क्या लिखा रहा है?
A carrot. फिर से बोलो हुसैन मेरे साथ साथ. A carrot.
A capital.
Yes, capital A and carrot. Children, write over there.
Mama, it is the animal.
Okay, very good boy. Yasser, next time you don't answer me, you will not be in my class, child.